Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Car Craze. Today, we've got an exciting early look at the upcoming Mercedes-Maybach SL. Just before its official debut at Pebble Beach, we've got some exclusive details and leaked images to share with you. Let's dive in. Mercedes is gearing up for a big reveal at Pebble Beach, and it looks like they're bringing out the big guns. They'll showcase 3 models, a special AMG GT3 edition and 2 luxurious Maybachs. The star of the show, the brand new 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL. While we're still a week away from its official debut on August 18th, some low-resolution photos of the Maybach SL have leaked online. And wow, does it look stunning! Gone is the AMG-specific front grille, replaced by a more elegant Maybach design. The Maybach team has really outdone themselves with the front bumper redesign. The hood features painted Maybach logos and a metallic strip that runs from the 3-pointed star emblem to where the hood meets the windshield. And check out those multi-spoke wheels, exclusive to Maybach, though we can't quite tell if they have center locking or lug nuts from these photos. Speaking of wheels, it's worth noting that even the AMG GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus doesn't come with center-lock wheels, so we're likely looking at 5 lug nuts per wheel here. The side skirts and rear bumper get a touch of chrome or polished steel, adding to that luxurious vibe. Inside, the Maybach SL doesn't disappoint. It's draped in white and red with the black top embossed with Maybach logos. The cockpit features body-hugging front seats with headrest vents to keep you warm, plus polished metal trim and an option for piano black or dark wood veneer on the steering wheel. One of the leaked photos shows the digital instrument cluster with exclusive Maybach graphics and kilometers per hour instead of miles per hour. That's a nod to its German roots. And speaking of speed, this new SL can hit a top speed of 280 kilometers per hour, which is about 174 miles per hour. For some perspective, the SL63 SE Performance, the most powerful AMG SL currently, can reach up to 315 kilometers per hour or 196 miles per hour. Meanwhile, the GT63 Pro 4MATIC Plus is listed at 317 kilometers per hour or 196 miles per hour. The new SL shares its platform with the second-gen AMG GT, known as AMG's modular sport architecture. This platform supports both V8 and i4 engines, but it seems like a V12 isn't in the cards for this model just yet. The only Maybach currently with a V12 is the S680 4MATIC, packing 603 horsepower and 664 lb-ft of torque. Given that the SL63 SE Performance has significantly more power, it's unlikely the Maybach SL will feature the same twin-turbo V12 engine. So, there you have it, a sneak peek at the new Mercedes-Maybach SL before its official launch. What do you think of the design and features? Are you excited to see this roadster in person? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this preview, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive news and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.